Before you begin, create a recovery drive and back up all data, power off the computer, and disconnect all attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the computer. To begin, pull the cable cover away from the computer. The cable cover is an optional accessory. Skip this step if the cable cover is not shipped with the computer. Loosen the captive screw that secures the left side cover release latch to the chassis. Pull the left side cover release latch to release the left side cover away from the chassis. Lift the left side cover from the chassis. Lay the computer on its right side. Locate the single graphics card. Lift the pull tab and open the expansion card door. Press the releasing clip on the graphics card power connectors and disconnect the graphics card power cables from the single graphics card.